Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. So Loopring has been doing absolutely phenomenal. It actually just broke my target price of max being $3.30. It actually broke that today, and it hit highs of almost $4. It actually went to $3.92, which is absolutely insane. If you guys saw my last Loopring video, I think I forgot what price we were in, but I did basically have my target prices, right? This was generally the area that I was thinking we were gonna hit right here. And even right now, I'm still bullish on Loopring. It doesn't show any signs of it actually slowing down. Unless you see, if anything, it'll probably just trade sideways like this. But I think as of right now, Loopring just has, way too much bullish momentum. I think for right now, I'm going to stay out of it. I'm not going to, it already did essentially 1,000%, right? So it did a 10x gain in a matter of like 2 weeks or so, right? So it started its rally back in late October, and today it's almost in a little bit less than in around 2 weeks or so, it did a full 10x gain. And the fun fact though, if you would have actually sold all of your Shiba Inu at peak highs, which is over 80 microcents, and put it into Loopring, all of it, you would have now made another 10x gain. But having a crystal ball is fun though, right? So you never really know what's gonna happen to certain tickers. I know LRC's been extremely popular for a while, but no idea that it was gonna pop off like this. Apart from just looking at regular TA, and then we would have probably had an entry more than likely at like 50 cents, like right here, as soon as you crossed over, or actually more like if you actually created a full bull candle above. So more than likely my entry would have been 64 cents. So right now my multiple would have probably been close, maybe like a 5x instead of 10x. But still, I still think Loopring has a long way to go, man. It's not showing any signs of being bearish. The daily is still bullish. The 4 hour, it looks like it wants to make another bear cycle, but I mean, it got canceled out right here on November 8th. So I really doubt that you'll actually see a huge drop in LRC. You might see some sideways trading, but as far as dumping back to like 30 cents, I don't think so, man. I think for the most part, you're gonna see LRC keep moving up, and you're gonna keep seeing it do these patterns where it rallies, trade sideways, rallies, trade sideways for a little bit, and it keeps rallying. So you might see pullbacks to like maybe $2, $2.50, whatever. But I think that all of those are buy the dip opportunities. I think that LRC can definitely keep running to something like $10 plus, right? I think it's valued right now at like $10 billion. LRC can definitely be worth 40 billion or a little bit more than what it is now. So a $10 LRC would definitely not be surprising to me. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.